owning a farm always has its challenges. In Oregon, those usually revolve around the rain. As the winter fades to spring, we see a challenge that has faced me since the inception of Fagan Farms. All of this water. More importantly, the byproduct of all that water is mud, and I got lots of it. And I had a spot to turn around that I could never really even turn around at. Well, I had a plan, but then nature hit me hard. A giant flood that wreaked havoc on everyone in the area. There wasn't much that anyone could do until things started to dry out. And now, we're here. It's finally time to replace the road. Yo, we got a big one today, not only for the channel, but for the farm. I'm super stoked about that. I'm gonna finally try to put together some farm stuff and some drones flying stuff. So super stoked to see how it turns out. And yeah, let's rock it. We got a skid steer showing up. We got to do some prep work, get the rock delivered. We got all sorts of stuff, and I'm gonna try to put it all together and take you along for the ride. Let's go. All right, so that wraps up the prep work. We're gonna get the skid steer out here tomorrow. I'm super excited. I'm finally ready to get this road done so I don't have to walk it anymore. Well, anyway, catch you tomorrow. What's up? It's the next day. Skid steer's about to get dropped off. Super pumped about today. We're finally gonna get this road going. Well, let's go. It's about to be dropped off. Huge shout out to Alan Rental in Roseburg for dropping this off this morning, get my project done. All right, let's go do the road. concludes the road project. We had a plan, didn't really work out at first, but we conquered it, we overcame, and you know what? I had a great freaking time. It was so much fun. So if you made it this far, you better subscribe. Peace.